you think about everyday trends, especially those that go viral, which social platform comes to mind? Yes, and to make it more mind-blowing, Instagram has more than 1 billion users using the app every month and is the second most downloaded free app. With these numbers in mind, it's evident that your business can take advantage of the audiences and features Instagram has to offer, being the new home for brands. This video will tell you everything about how Instagram business profiles can grow your business, whether you're just starting or need to refine your existing go-to-market strategy. So, what is a business profile on Instagram? Here are big questions we ask ourselves regarding Instagram business profiles. What's its purpose? How does it differ from regular Instagram profile? It turns out the answer is simple. If you're unfamiliar with account types, there are 3 profiles on Instagram: a personal account, content creator, and business account. Except for the personal account, they offer more in-depth analytics and insights. Nothing stops you when it comes to a business profile. You can choose how you want to interact with your customers, be it a call, text, or email, and all at the click of a button. Revive your bio. When you use Instagram for business, you gain access to several profile features that aren't available to personal accounts. Whether you're converting a personal account to a business account or starting from scratch, be sure to take advantage of these business-only options. A brief description, URL, label, contact information, CTA, inquiry, or contact us directly. These elements give users a quick and easy understanding of what you can do and accessible interaction to purchase a product or hire a service. Experiment with new formats. Adjust your efforts with insights. So building strong brand visibility and engagement is how you are most likely able to succeed with your business through Instagram. By using various advertising formats, you can showcase your business from many angles that connect with the industry and communities. Some include post feed, stories, lives, reels, and promotions. Adjust your efforts with insights. As you experiment, insights will help you tell the story of where you can connect and what to revisit. Instagram insights include profile views, reach, impressions, clicks, demographics, and audiences. Instagram Insights offer a wide selection of essential data to supplement marketing strategy and growth. The key is interpretation. Fortunately, the data that Instagram provides about your post is user-friendly and will represent goals accurately and simply. Add an online storefront. Basic accounts don't have access to shops, but with a business profile, you do. Your storefront allows you to connect with users right from their scrolling touchpoint. Some of the things you can do are customize my collections, add product details, tag prices onto items, and launch products. Save time by scheduling posts. Brands with business profiles can use third-party apps like Hootsuite to schedule posts across multiple social media platforms. Posting when your followers are online is critical because the Instagram algorithm prioritizes recency. A newer post will show up at the top of your followers' newsfeed. Quickly respond to users. Access the quick replies feature in your profile. You can prepare template responses, making it easier to auto-reply to customer inquiries. Enter the assigned shortcode word and your reply will populate ready to send. Also, advertising on Facebook ads, find out how much you should be spending through our YouTube channel. Takeaways. Viral trends, recent events, and popular products or services greatly influence how you will position your brand and business through Instagram. Devoting time and effort to connect your business to numerous streams of audiences through communities requires a solid social media strategy. Discover new ways to engage with your clients and, most importantly, provide a great user experience to have them come back for more. That's a wrap. We know these tips will help you smartly plan your next digital marketing strategy. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos on digital marketing. We post new content every week. See you again soon.